Somebody's asked for a lesson on a tune called Yeron, Grea, which means the old man and the old woman. It's a tune that I've known since the 70s. It's one of the earliest probably tunes that I've known since I was a little kid. So it was the first tune that I wanted to learn on the instrument, actually. So to the person that asked for it, hope you enjoy the video. It's a bit complicated, but there you go. I'm just here in one of the best views of the city that I live in. Let me know if you know which city I live in. I'll flip the camera around, but anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. I'll play the tune first. So there's quite a bit there. I'll see how much I can go through in one lesson. In this lesson, the instrument's tuned to A, E, B, A, E, B. So we're going to start with a forward bow movement on the low pitch side, and then we're going to come swivel straight over and drop the first finger on the high pitch string. Okay, we're going to do that, and then we're going to do one bow movement with two notes, a slur. So we now on the way back, no fingers, swivel over. And when we swivel over, the second finger is going to go on the middle string only. And then straight over to the high pitch side. Now when we're playing the middle string, when we're touching the middle string, we're only playing the middle string, but we can touch the low pitch string if we have to, because there's a fine degree of error. It's very hard to play the middle one, but it's preferable to play the low pitch string if you have to. So the next bit is finish back, forward, no fingers, and then swivel middle string again, no fingers, first finger on the middle string, again middle string, only touching the middle string with the bow, then swivel over to the low pitch string, second finger on the low pitch string only touching the low pitch string. Finishing on the low pitch side with no fingers, so it's and we do that twice. And we can finish off at the end with the second finger. The next bit, so starting forward again, second finger, third finger on the high pitch string. No fingers first. On the way back, drop the second and the third. Now you can either play just that string with your bow,
You can play the middle string as well, even though you're not touching it. So now when we come back on the second time, we're going to lift the third finger so we get that sound. So it's, and we're going to do it again. And we're going to do it here as well. Or you can do. How about we just do that as for assuming this class is all for beginners, obviously. So let's just simplify it. Sorry. So how can we simplify it? Okay, so how about we do that? Finishing forward, starting forward, lift the bow, and we're going to do second, drop the 2 again, but this time we're going to drop the 4th, touch it as low as you can. How about we do that? Come back, and that allows us to come forward. And then lift all those 3 and drop the 1st. Hard to lift those 3 all at once and drop the 1st, but you've got to get used to it. And the next bit is how about we do the slurs, because I think it's probably easier. So it's on the way back, lift the 3rd halfway through. Again, drop the 1st, lift all the 3 and drop the 1st. And this time it's only the 1st grounded and lifting the 2nd. I'm using the 4th. That's a slur as well, halfway through lifted. So it's sorry. Next bit, back over to the low pitch side. So here we're going to do, now we're going to use the low pitch touching the middle and the low pitch. These are touching the 2, middle and low. Here we're touching the middle, the 4th finger with the middle, touching only the middle string with the 4th finger. double chord, single on the middle string. So that's pretty much it. I'll do it from the start. Okay, so I hope that helps to the person that asked for it. Please give it a like if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.